Kwaba and found bright GCN pages so meaning at the address searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel, found some ya bell so ube a notification and send me a quote you barbara mine. I want my gun in now when you be at tea and I say when you be a share and war GCN page ha. Now Ura George Nash Oka NDC communication team members no and Okasi. Now a then 7 Oka. Ura George in some working now and say, oh my gun ha, a sign say, literacy rating, a sign say, then I enter brofu or men we a brosu, now brofu no cry yet in the cacrebi, yet tinny bebritino, and the politicians, brofu no you to wa, send a cassidy a tinny pen marcassi, send a bay a gun for yantias, no more premier so, not just we and left and right, a yade had you papa. Now, I didn't hear Ura George Eka saying, and say, a year His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufado, Nanado Priman, and another camera of one Casabia steady. One out to say, one chair, one swat, won't it? Now, yes, I won't see now, and yet the Dabby to maintain another number of fasting Nasa, Dabby, Obatibi. Nasabio, almost Warrior University crown, almost shed that Tim Napa Passa. Now, Warrior University. And another can then wash it. Nano and Ura George HSA. 2016, I brought another all your campaigns I got from Chaba Moment. Brofa Cassidian and I be to hold a brim gunner for you, so you antancy. Any a twabano a day a mile. All bells almost by a shame. Now, a sign Brofa Cassomo kind, I antancy, any a twabano a day a ma and people are married. Then Ura George HSA politicians. It's about time on Mujai because Brofuno as a sododo. Ghana Hayankasa and then Casa. In your fancy, Asante, Ewe, and crying, gun. And I chimney, I didn't know. Brofuya Yankasa. It is a Cabana Camoya campaign and campaign crowd why a country, why a campaign I walk a tree. That's another address in this now. All Cabro Brofun or Baby. Waka fantica crib, Nanado, young mamma funo, and Ponya mamma from you to know, and you ain't what can I say? Bofuno, I am not yes to do. Bofuno, yes, Nana, I am a number of him. Cabaya, and I know budget here, reading what kind of bofu. And so budget here, reading, Yana Muridia, my Yagana Funa Muridia, my Yana no one with your cry, Yama no more with your cry, and no one know what a brofun to be so little you cry. No, because they say, hey, and the Ghana for a ready, a comma, sick on the baboya, or Cosotivina, or Tehosana Wada. Will be a Memichian, or Tehosana Wada, because as summer, in summer walk, and ya the otte, near ye and Kamokan a Chicasa, and Copia Betty. Uncle Bia Betty, another COVID-19 nearby, who began on Casa Bofu, more state of nation addresser, state of the nation addresser, Bocabofu. Movie the budget, what can Brofu, Moko Parliament House, Nana Mocabo for a day, Brofu Masododo, never right George HSA. As I said, Ghana, yes, a diet Brofu the Britain. Politicians no Brofu, no bam, no me yes, see us, yes, they are Pacochaban, and the Ama, a party say party, you a party view, and not just a year for you, and out of Yantis, a man who write George Nash a day at 2 years.
Just a budget, no, the Bible one. What's it? The devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. So the budget has come to kill, steal, and destroy. Yes, the Bible one. The Bible has come. The budget has come to kill, steal, and destroy this country. Before Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo, any MPP aban menu yoti wobaba ban mu no. Waka asem bi kire Ghana fo. Asem a waka kire Ghana fo no ebi ni den. Wosi Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, wosi they are coming to shift the focus of economic management from taxation to production, restore microeconomic stability, manage the economy competently.
Brofuno so ede.
Abisi brofuno what the bring Ghana for this one. Brofu kuto. Say yen tiase, say brofu yen sheda tiase. Iti brofu wo prugu krata iso. Ye be den atiase. Me wa munim say literacy rate wo high. Na fe mu chinchimi yen sade brofu akese. Che or shift the focus. What's the shifting focus of economic management from taxation to production, restore microeconomic stability, manage the economy competently. Manokura oh me take makura dang woman. Eh brofuni. Na wo wie ye tiefo ensi wa na nado dang no ho so pegana fo asem. Utwa no 5% VAT and order 2 health insurance and a get fund so get fund now order 2 so me nua bia me no ka say get fund ye dia bobosua ma ne get fund na ye gye nyina na ye di tuaka one city kura ni hwa e bagana futu mu sisi it is get fund no ye gye sika ni nyina na ye di tuaka na ye di yensa hye ndamiri fam ni aba betena se wo hu se won afa chi sande tax e ba wo sande tax bi ba be wo ya fi e wo sa get fund what the tax e ba because won exhaust back no nti wo nya bi ndi afi to one sample kwen bi so won aba be wia kill and destroy this omaya yetin minu abia enu ansu hwa 3% flat rate won say won asan afa kwoti kwan bi so wosan de be foforo ba 3% wosan de foforo ba 2021 yi nti na nado wotima moman ya na MPP aba MPP amembu no mubu ne den de senkura na mubu aban aman no esla den na muka kire wo esla ho muka kire yensi esla anye esla wusu wo mepacho
no kre
na omamba
ESLA
no mamba yemi eya domelevu na mwamba na mwamba yemi na mwamba yemi domelevu because mwamba kanje me say me fi Ivory Coast na mo nche ho no mwaka say me fi Ivory Coast so enti ofi echiri no esla ya menua bia wo kan ho asem a wo se wo de brofo akese wo se nuisance tax amena na ntiase nuisance tax wo ba wo se wo baba be yie fi ho na etiefo amutie mi munyina munim se NDC de sa tax ne bae no na ahohire wo ho so what ya say na dumso no abaga na fo nyina nim se mahama breso dumso bae ma mo de ye nwom kura toe ema mahama yankopon adahoro ma otu ase ansa na orifia ban mu ena ode sa atoboa ento no bae se ode ba beje oba beje sa atoboa na amaye ho hehan ye wo yen kane ase mu ba 2017 bedu no na ye wie yen solution ya solve yen problems nyina ye tumi yi sa tax de fi ho MPP aban bae na nado ka se o ka se nuisance tax no oba e 27% pem na ode to so this is papa what timani oh we actually hello telephone cry kasa was increase I'm coming there someone for backdoor the taxes biaba so I want to tell Ghanaians the kind of people who are in authority today because they tell us what we want to hear but not what they are coming to do. This is the government ayen one daily kasa yeka communication tax here what buy omo increase it by 50%. Premium bra ye bre we was it be the luxury tax me hu bi da sebi ka wodi yi ejanan kura no e be ye luxury work oman we mu oman ya team ka wodi yi ejanan e be ye luxury we was it be the retention of 2% component what special levy import what the two social na importers struggle and people import their goods they cannot clear media bia it uhwe amembu no ankoye wo wie ye workers wo be reduce corporate tax from 25% to 20%. Media bia akwako sisen. These are the questions Ghanaians are asking. So what you say? These are the questions Ghanaians are asking. And then in say ya obi ready budget. Omasia ko fat taxes aba betu Ghana so. Bitie honorable Kojo Ompon Nkrumah ne nsem bia odi tudwa. O kire say free water any free kania na wode ma Ghana fu ye yusu etiefu mu tie ni ye. Maka kire mu say we have to be careful with the government that we are dealing with today. I hear the information minister saying say insu free na wode ma ye ne anyinam kania na wode ma ye no a create deficit wo say abebo amna e wo Ghana ye sika semu nti ese wo fa kwan bi so no wode etu bi ba na Ghana fu ye sentua na ye de kotua sa amna na insu na ye je ni free water ni free electricity no wode ko siw sa amna no etiefu mwati bi da
we no minister of information
me say we ya na me twa no TV so me say we yi no TV so live asema okay o say there is a deficit free water no ni we no e create amna a chese Ghana ka no e ka Ghana ka ho nti ese pe kwan bi a nti nsu na wode man yɛn sɛ yɛ nom wo sɛ no so ka Ghana ka ho nti sɛ yɛba bɛpɛ kwan bi so na ya fa na yɛ de agisika na efiri Ghana fo ankasa nsɛm enu abia
Patrosi for mama.
minya nsi o to obo ase afei na me ba budget no so hwɛ I have with me here but your kan mama
The budget statement and economic policy of the government of Ghana for the 2018 financial year.
MPP for krata
And so 2018
what the bar was 15th November and was presented to Parliament. Now, a bay on one. How can a project be 87% in 2017 and then become 39% in 2021?
Like us in 87% complete.
2018 budget never many you. 2018 budget, let's say. In Sawam, Apeja Road, go from Apeja, 2017, 87% complete. 2021, 39% complete. It's for much to be done. And you one. And who is answering this question? Need FM. Why na mobile man eyi sanse mu ya no?
And they are in charge of that sector.
Enti mo hwehwe no.
Yeah, very well.
Na mo bisa ne se, eye den na project. Eye 87% complete. Na 2021 budget ba ya. Obetumi ehu asema meke ewo page 32. Paragraph 163 of 2021 budget statement. Ewo ho clearly.
Paragraph 163.
163. Page 32, I will hold clearly. It's here for Mutimi. Brekum Siakwa Road. Brekum Siakwa Road. 2016, na 81 complete. 2017, na 88 complete. 2021, assign 88 complete. It's here for what to be da. One common editorial. You can never leave a road at 88%. For years, 4 years, and go back to meet it at 88%. It will never happen. Maybe under the leadership of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Asadi Besi. Just say you cannot understand.